Hi guys, welcome to Kanak's Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to prepare healthy spinach pasta with exotic vegetables in it. This is a very easy to follow recipe. In this, the pasta is cooked with spinach sauce and lots of healthy vegetables in it. This is a very quick and easy pasta with the combination of taste and the wholesome meal. So let's see what you need for this. In a large wok, add the butter and a tablespoon of oil. To this, stir in the all-purpose flour and then cook it on low heat. Keep stirring it as it cooks. And after a minute or so, when it starts to slightly change its color, stir in the warm milk to it. Warm milk helps in cooking the sauce faster. Keep stirring it and break the lumps if any. Next, mix in the salt and the pepper and keep it on low flame. Meanwhile, puree the blanched spinach with the fresh cream until smooth. You can see it is smooth now. Now add the spinach puree into the white sauce. You can adjust the consistency of the sauce with some more milk or with very little water. Next, in another saucepan, add the remaining oil with some garlic. Saute it for a few seconds, followed by the onions, carrots, broccoli, zucchini. Here I am using the green zucchini and the yellow one. Next goes in the corns, capsicum and the basil, and saute all of them with some salt and the pepper with some red chili flakes and the mixed herb seasoning. Saute it for around 3 to 4 minutes or until they are slightly tender. Lastly, add in the cherry tomatoes and stir well. You can use any vegetable of your choice over here. Now once the vegetables are cooked through and tender, off the flame. Next, toss in the cooked pasta into the spinach sauce along with the sauteed vegetables with some more fresh cream if you desire, and let it cook for another 1 to 2 minutes until all the flavors of the spinach and the herbs are taken up by the pasta nicely. Now once everything is mixed well with each other, now serve hot with some grated cheese on top and some more fresh herbs and basil on top. And my healthy and filling spinach pasta with exotic vegetables is ready, and you can use a variety of vegetables over here. So do try this lovely and healthy pasta and let me know how it turned out for you. Also hit the like button and subscribe to my channel Kanak's Kitchen. You can tune in to my channel for a whole new recipe every Tuesdays and Fridays. You can connect with me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. The link is provided in the description. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.